When people say you need to be authentic, what does that actually mean? It took me a long time to really understand how to be myself actually on camera. So being authentic is what you do most is actually what you do best. That's actually how you can show your authenticity. So within the brand architect, we show you how you could extract those key talents straight from yourself so that way you can share your skills and help the next person coming up. So it's not about being an imposter, because we all struggle through that. Even though I've been doing fire alarm for 20 plus years, sometimes I feel when I put the information out there may be somebody else who can say it better, or maybe actually say what I'm saying is actually wrong, when I know it's not the case. It's just the people who have the courage to actually put forth the foot forward. So 3 things most entrepreneurs struggle with when trying to build a brand to help their businesses: the imposter syndrome. Like I said, we all face through that. So even every video that I upload, I have to go through some type of process to get the jitters and bugs about the stomach, so that way I could just record my video with a full understanding that I'm here to share information and not try to be better than nobody else. I'm just trying to share my perspective on how I do fire alarm, so that way it may be an easier process for you. You may have a better process, or you may have a solution to what I'm trying to deliver faster. That's all. And the second thing is learning how to run ads. You don't need a large budget. All you need is a couple dollars until you can start generating a little bit more money, so that way you can increase your ad budget. The goal is to stay in front of as many people as you can, and then understanding how to build an organic following. That also comes through sharing educational content, storytelling, and actually mixing up both. But if you're a good entertainer and you like to crack jokes so you can make funny jokes or do very good skits, that is another way for you to actually grow on social media, especially if you can incorporate fire alarm into that as well. So I want you to download the one-page brand architect cheat sheet to keep you on track, so you can understand how you could actually build this confidence, so that way you can share your skills to help the next person coming up. And this is only step number 8 inside of the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. This is a 9-step course that you will need to take so you can fully learn how to start, operate, and grow a fire alarm company being taught by an actual fire alarm licensed contractor. So if you're ready to take the next step, click the link in my description, jump on a call. We'll figure out where you at, how we can help you, and see if you're a good fit for the brand architect. I'll catch you on the other side.